M16.
Oh, I don't want that either.
I don't have anything. Oh, BSS.
Got an ag tag.
Oh, people in the garage. People all over the place in here. A lot of them are unarmed.
We're running.
Got one.
Lost somebody.
Oh my god, did I just hit him?
Sorry,
The
Cole.
guy that was right here.
Yeah, he's knocked.
Anybody up here?
Nope, there's a guy in here
Oh,
with
yeah.
me.
Running
Oh
back
shit,
to
here we
Chuggets.
go.
I tagged him. He's hit
Nice.
him a couple times,
An asshole.
and there it is.
Nice.
We hit an 8
that
times,
instant?
4 times, an AK. Ooh, look at that.
Like,
If you find a helmet, let me know.
open,
Senti fast.
obviously.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
Whoa.
Let's get involved.
That's a lot of people over there. Come,
He's the
you
north
Chuggets.
complex. I'm not gonna stab
Yeah.
you though.
Yeah, I
No,
see him
I'm
on the
coming.
ground.
But yeah,
Yeah, I see him.
Hold on.
Hit him once.
Nice.
Oh shit.
Nah, other places. There's more people here.
I don't fucking see the other guys. It's
Bottom
taking
left
place
window.
behind that building.
Bottom left window of north complex.
Yep,
Yeah.
I see him. I see him. Come on.
And one's hit him twice.
Oh god, he's so close. He just ran back into the hallway.
Nah,
Push it.
that's not-
Push it.
Knocked one.
We got another guy from the left.
Nah, somebody just killed my guy. I got a finally killed on somebody. So
We get in there or what?
yeah,
I'm on the right.
I'm gonna hang back in the middle. I can snipe across here pretty easily.
Fuck.
In there, Benji? Yeah, I gotta do
No, let me try to get over there. I mean, I got a gun that can one-shot
He's
him.
running away.
Yeah, we get there fast enough.
He just ran back a tree. I tagged him twice. God, one of those was a headshot. How did he not go
Hitting him.
down?
Tagging him.
He's got a level 1 helmet and I think a level 1 or 2 vest. Someone needs to watch our backside. Watch to our left to make sure
Looking
we don't
at
get
it, but
flanked.
it's a lot of real estate.
Yeah, there's not much.
We gotta
How
get
far do we have
going
to go for
too.
the next
Zone's
zone?
a little far.
I see the guy still running.
Oh, this guy in a
Oh,
vehicle.
got it! Woo! Oh, on me, on me! I'm behind the trees in front of me. Behind the tree that's in front of me. Tree directly southeast from me. Going down pretty
Looking for him.
fast.
Can somebody get to
Someone get
Chuggets
him.
while I
Someone
rotate?
get him.
Yeah.
Going down.
I'm on the
Ben?
tree.
Got him.
Nice.
Nice, good job.
We have 8 seconds to go. Oh my god.
I'm getting the vehicle.
I need to
Get
hop
Get in the
that
car
car.
and heal.
There we go.
Get in the
Do
car.
this.
Chuggers, you can't even heal. You gotta go.
I have to take it now.
Yeah, take it now. We're good. We're good.
I don't know.
Nobody panic. We'll be all right.
Go, 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 go.
Boost up in the car if you can.
Yeah, good shit.
I'm full boost. Oh, I was.
Where am
so
I going?
Close. Just stop close here. Stop at these trees.
Yeah.
Just on our left. Just on our left here.
Yeah, I think over
A
here.
little. Just drive up the hill a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. It's good. Perfect. Perfect. Stop. 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 Stop.
Good. Good. Good.
Vehicle?
Right in front of us.
Yep.
I'm more worried about people being right here at these trees.
Oh, they're right here. Right here. 335.
Yep.
At the tree again.
Yep.
Tree north,
The other guy went down left.
behind that tree still, 340.
Yep. I'm watching our right flank. I'll leave that to you. You guys.
Keep an eye on the guy.
He's throwing grenades.
Chuck the nade.
He's throwing a grenade. Motherfucker just barely missed.
Oh shit.
Just poking
Was
his
there a
head.
guy on the left?
I think he's dead. No, yeah, he's dead. He's dead. But the guy behind the tree still there.
There we go. Gotta reload. Fuck me. This guy's slippery as hell.
Oh,
He
that
just
was.
naded him?
He just killed himself.
Yeah.
Get to the lower
Let's get up on
scaffolding area.
scaffold.
There's some good
Yeah,
cover at the
get
bottom of it.
Scaffolding. Yep.
Well, the apartment's in though.
Well, I just mean get behind it so he can't shoot us.
Yeah, but I'm saying the apartment can shoot us.
I'm gonna climb scaffolding. Fuck it.
Oh.
God, I really want to.
What's left?
I want to see 2 squads over there. I guess.
Well, we were
Do you
getting
see a
shot in the back, so they might be sneaking through the field right now. Or they might even be on this little half wall, sneaking along the wall.
Maybe.
I can't imagine they would have ran up to it without us seeing them.
Probably not, but
Watching northeast.
Yeah, keep your eyes up.
I kind of want to get onto the first level of the scaffolding just so I have eyes above the fence line.
I mean, you have 10 seconds to move after it starts.
Well, I'll be in the, probably, well, no, I guess
Yeah,
not.
the scaffolding
Is
isn't.
it-
Oh, I
is
see a
it
guy,
MK?
15.
Oh yes.
Oh, sorry,
Let
sorry.
there be.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Don't stick together. Too close.
Yep. Stay separated.
Still.
Yeah.
I
they're
got a guy
up the
running
hill. I
straight
knocked one.
340.
Ooh, fuck.
Knocked him?
Yeah, I see him. Let's get this fucking guy. Oh, fucking bulletproof fence! No! Are you kidding me right now?
I don't see anybody.
340.
Oh.
Oh, dropped his ass. Yeah, nice.
Woo!
There it
Got
is.
that one.
Got him.
Alright.
Nice.
Woo!
There you go, gentlemen.
Yeah, he's just crossing the street over there. I'm gonna push up. It looks like they're pushing to the right. I'm gonna get a little ballsy. Yeah.
They're in the.
Wait.
Shoot.
Yeah.
Shoot the guy in the. He's on the right of the buggy there.
Oh man, I lit that guy up too. Nice kills. There's guys
Loot him.
behind him, right? Or no?
It's those guys, I think.
Oh, we got a vehicle coming across the bridge. Get ready.
A little further back.
It's 2 headshots. Knocked one. Got him. Come to me.
Watch it. Get out. Get away from the car. Get away from the car. It's gonna blow up.
Okay. I could.
Drop.
Does he have a level 2 back? Oh. Yep. We got a bike coming in.
Shit.
He just flipped it. I don't. What the hell? Knocked one. And the other killed himself.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck? He just.
Yeah, he jumped early. Killed himself.
What an idiot.
Yeah.
10 scope. Another
Yeah.
3 vests. Ooh, that's a DP-28. I will take that.
Let me just load this in real quick, and then I'm popping in. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Lead the way there, big shoots. Ooh, I'm lagging. Oh, this. What the fuck? Wow, that was a neat trick there, Chugs. Oh, let's see. Just keep driving. You're gonna love this video. What in God's name? No, just keep doing what you're doing, man. This is great. I honestly don't know what's happening. You're doing like backflips and shit right now. I'm not sure. Well, oh, yep, there it is. Yeah. And you're glitching all over the map. Ah, damn. You're getting shot at though. I do hear that. Just keep driving. I don't think they can hit you on this bike. This is a glitch. Oh yeah, there it is. Jesus Christ. Okay, I don't know what's happening right now. I noticed that this bike was doing that when it drove over the bridge because I couldn't hit him to save my life. I was like, what the fuck is going on? We got guys in front of us here?
How close?
Got him. Nice.
That guy's in a ghillie suit.
Yeah, he was.
His buddy's about to get him. He's a little past him. His buddy's west.
He's glitching all over the place for me. Sliding around the map. I'm about to get run over on the right. Oh, no. I'm pushing. He was dropping his guns. He dropped his guns. Tell me if you see anything on the ground. Oh, there's something over here. Mini 14 and an AK. I don't want either one.
Yeah, just go. I'm good. Let's rush this guy.
Okay.
Get in here.
Yeah, there's a guy right here.
Right here. What the fuck?
Who?
Look, the guy directly west, right behind the white fence.
Yeah, I
Like,
killed
right
him.
In front of me.
Yeah, I killed him. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were shooting at
He wasn't-
the other guy.
What the wow, dude, I'm lagging my balls off. He was looking the opposite direction of us when he shot you on my screen. I got a vehicle out behind us. It's kind of driving kind of close to us. Yep, right here.
You fucking live.
Killed him, got him.
Dead. Another bike west. Oh yeah.
You got him? No way, that's an
I
amazing
knocked
shot.
one. I knocked the guy in the back. Let's push up. God, this is sketchy though.
No, it's fine.
Actually-
Fuck it, dude, we're having fun. Just keep going.
We're down to one of them.
Where's his buddy?
Oh, his buddy. Yeah, it's over here.
You see him?
Yep, he's dead.
Nice shooting, Tex.
The building in front of us.
Okay.
It's right here.
Yep, I see him. Good knock. I'll cover the other side.
Dead.
Got them both?
His buddy's over here.
Okay. I'm gonna rotate to the right. Stay safe if you can.
The far house is gonna heal. Push him.
Whoa, I'm getting shot from somebody else. I'm getting shot from the barn.
He's dead. Watch. On me. Okay, go back in there. Go in there. Oh shit.
I gotta heal, man. You got him?
Heal. I need things badly. I
heal-
have nothing.
Heal's right there.
Oh, right here. I need 556 though. Watch the guy northwest. That was shooting you. For a sec. Little bowl. I like this.
Oh, right there.
On me.
I missed. Did you get him? Nice. I missed. I whiffed so bad. I'm just taking a booster. I have no health. On us? Or, well, the zone's on us. We got shots off here. 275.
You need to have one if you need one.
Just hold on to it for right now.
This guy, 2 guys up the hill. 5.
Hang on.
5 up the
Watch to
hill.
our
There's 2
left.
of them.
Watch to our left. I'll take these shots, these guys.
Go.
What? Watch to our left. I heard shots over there.
Take your time.
He saw me. I must have gone over his head there.
4 left. So there's 2 up there. We need more. 2 more stragglers.
Knocked one.
Nice! I see 2 guys northwest, behind the rocks.
Okay.
I hit one at the rock northwest. Don't get sniped with those other guys, though.
I'm sure he's resting his buddy right now.
We're good here.
We're in the zone, so don't force the issue. They gotta run to us.
Alright. Need any boosters?
Maybe just one if you have a bunch.
Dropped two. I just dropped some right there.
Yeah. Yeah, they're smoking on the right. Let me cover them. You cover the guys on the left. Yep, they're moving down the
Oh,
hill.
yeah, they're moving right.
Hit them once.
Guys on the left are looking.
Yeah, let them look. Take shots at them. Take the shots at the guys on the left.
Left are hurt. Left's hurt. Fuck, dude.
Hang on.
I need ammo.
Hang on.
God, I have 0. Fucking DP.
Coming over. Hang on. Coming down to me.
Careful.
Just take it all.
I knocked one of them over here. You okay?
Oh, that had to have hit him. Those guys on the right are
I don't know where these
snecking.
guys went.
Hit one on the left, I think.
I knocked them.
Nice.
Yeah, I knocked one guy. This same tree. The guy's behind that tree. Yeah, fuck it. The new circle's on us, so we need to take the guys out on the right. Where they are? Grenades.
Oh, it must be hitting his pan. What else am I hitting here? Hit one.
Did you down him?
Nope, I'm just hitting him over here. I can't seem to down one. All right,
They're
we
gonna
got.
die from the zone. Watch the right.
Yeah,
You know
Oh,
where these guys are?
they're snecking. Right, tree. Nice knock.
Get up! Oh, on me somewhere! Fuck!
Nice killing. Where's the last one?
Where's
Yeah, behind the tree.
340.
Hit him once. Nice, nice.
Woo! Dude, fuck yeah.
How many did you have? You had like 10 or 15, didn't you? Jesus Christ.
13.
Yeah, you were doing all the goddamn work. I only had 5.
18 kill game though. Let's go.
Ah, that was a good one. That was a good one.